This 2024 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36B is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 17 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36B is built on a ProMaster 1500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.